All right, let's look at question 50. It says a fair die is thrown once. Take note, once. A die has how many sides? 6 sides. So the sample space of a die is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It says find the probability of obtaining an odd number. So probability of obtaining odd number. What are the odd numbers there? Let's look at the sample space for odd numbers. We have 1, 3 is odd, and 5. Now, so odd numbers, then prime numbers, the prime that you have there are the prime numbers you have. Take note, 1 is not a prime number. Prime numbers are numbers that have 2 factors. Or you say they are numbers that can be divisible by themselves and 1. So the prime numbers you have there are 2, 3, and 5, because this set of numbers have only 2 factors itself and 1. Now, what's the union? Take note, it says probability of obtaining odd or prime. That means the union of these two. Make sure you don't count the numbers or the elements twice. So the probability that you have here, how many, the sample space for the favorable outcomes we are talking about, that's either odd or prime. That means the sample space there will be 1, 2, 3, or 5, which is equals to 4 elements there. Take note, a probability is number of favorable outcome over the total number of possible outcomes. So the favorable outcomes, I can either get 4 of it, either I pick 1, or I pick 2, I pick 3, I pick 5, which is equals to 4 over total number of possible outcomes. The sample space is 6. 4 over 6, so 2 here, 2, 2 here, 3. So the probability of picking either an odd number or a prime number is 2 over 3. That's option C. All right, I hope you followed through from question 1 to question 50, and I hope you enjoyed the series. If you enjoyed the series, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Making Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. If there's any aspect of mathematics you're struggling with, put in the comment section, and I'll be there to attend to it. And if you need a personalized tutor for mathematics, you can contact me. Put it in the comment section. I will send my number to you. Till meet again, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.